We're cooking steak burgers inside of mushroom and celery soup. Now I'm using 80-20 burgers. Got some Worcestershire sauce, some steak and chop seasoning, and some parsley flakes. That's it as far as seasonings is concerned. I'm cooking this in batches. Make sure you flip that over and repeat the process. Like I said, I'm cooking this in batches. I got 8 patties in total, and repeat the process. Make sure that pan is hot, and you're only going to sear these for like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. No need to cook it all the way through. Take those out and add that next batch. 2-3 minutes for these also on each side, and we're going to get those out. Now I'm using another pan because I can fit all of them in at the same time. Add a little olive oil with some bell peppers and onions. No need to saute them for too long, about 2-3 minutes to do. Start the show, cream of mushroom soup. Dump all that in there. And then we got that cream of celery. Yes, indeed. Look at that. We're going to mix that with some milk. Use that 1 can of milk. Stir that in. And add a 2nd can of milk. Get that nice and creamy. Add your patties back to that pan. Place all those in. Now go ahead and try to get all that incorporated all over those burgers. We're going to cook this on medium high for 10 minutes. That's what we're working with right there. Go ahead and add some of that mushroom celery soup all over the top. It's like you're basting it. Put that lid back on. Put it on low for 15 minutes. That's what we got. Steak burgers, hamburgers, cooked in cream of mushroom and cream of celery soup. Get that plate ready. Got a little white rice, a little sweet corn. But there we go. Steak burgers and cream of mushroom soup. Subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe if you like what you see. Very easy to do. Just take your time. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for everything.